Hi, my name is Noah Rosenfarb. I'm a certified public accountant and holistic wealth advisor with Freedom Wealth Advisors. We're often asked what are the tax consequences of receiving stock in lieu of compensation by our clients. And there's a variety of concerns, the most significant of which is going to be when are you going to pay the tax on that stock and when are you going to actually receive the stock. So most often at publicly traded companies, stocks received in lieu of cash compensation by the granting of stock options and restricted stock units. When you receive stock options or restricted stock units, you'll pay the tax on the value that you receive when that stock is vested. So oftentimes, stocks provided in lieu of cash compensation, but there's a vesting schedule attached. You must continue to be employed with that same company for a period of time, oftentimes 3 years, sometimes 5 years. When you're looking at non-publicly traded companies at a private, closely held business, whether that's a law firm or a manufacturing business or a distribution company that's privately held and closely held, the stock issues in comparison to receiving cash compensation become a little bit more complicated. There's no daily value to that stock. Oftentimes it's only valued once a year. Oftentimes it's not valued. So you want to speak with a qualified tax professional if your employer is suggesting that you receive stock in lieu of cash compensation. Most of the wealth in America is built by business owners, so there's a great opportunity if you could receive stock in lieu of cash compensation, but you also have to be sure that you understand not just the tax consequences, but also the financial consequences. When you receive the stock, when it's vested to you, if you don't immediately sell it, you might not have the cash that's going to be required to pay the taxes. And that's one of the most significant concerns that people have when they receive stock in lieu of compensation. If you have specific questions, I'd encourage you to speak with a qualified expert, someone like myself. My name's Noah Rosenfarb. I'm a CPA and holistic wealth advisor with Freedom Wealth Advisors.